All right, check. Here we go. We are live. All right, so we're gonna do a little pre-market. We're looking into some different stocks. I'm gonna show you how I do find some of my gap ups, gap downs. First, I use a True Traders scanner. I use other scanners too, but True Traders is just so easy to look at. And the other way that I like to look at just pre-market stuff is actually through Tradingview scanner. And then I just have a list of my favorite stocks here. And then I just sort the extended hours. So I know Billy's moved up, EH, Fubo, Baba's making a nice move, NVAX, Penn. So just kind of take a glance at that, or I'll run my scanner here that I've created, which I have up now. So AVIR, holy 73%. Was this a split? Or did they really get destroyed? $40 down to 11. Is that a split? That's crazy. AVIR. I don't see that there was a split. Oh, well, I probably won't trade it anyways. Okay, AVIR, I'm going to throw that in this. Oh, LSPD down again, huh? AVIR, ULTA. Let's check out some gap ups. Oh, we've got the Bitcoin stocks. Is Bitcoin up then? Bitcoin to 62. See if it breaks all-time highs. $63 is all-time highs, right? Let's see. Oh, 65 is. It could break out. It's a little overbought right now, so once it breaks it, I think it might break it back down afterwards, but Baba, Walmart. There's some of the gappers. Oh, Roku's in the gap downs, huh? Okay, here we go. Let's look for the important ones. Okay, so that's how I look for the important ones, like so STD. What a great name that I named this. But this is so we got full time frame continuity down right now on lift. today's the second day of the week, so it'll change the weekly to green if we break to the upside here, and that would give us a potential of 52.75. So this is the strat. Let's do continuity change. If it breaks yesterday's highs. And that's got a point. So that's a decent one. It does have continuity to the downside on the monthly. Ooh, Baba. So Baba's breaking out right at the open. All time frames, full continuity up. Breaking out, I would say first resistance is at 178 over here. Let's check out like a monthly chart real quick. Actually, let's check out the weekly. Yeah, so that'll change us to a 2 up, which then would take us to that 176, 178 area. I think Baba could be a buy right at the open. That's just a thought. I'm not an advisor or anything. It could be a buy right at the open. So I'll keep an eye on some Baba calls. I'm going to look at the 170s. That'll probably get me in the money pretty quick. I'll also look at the 175s. These are actually pretty cheap. So they were trading 80 cents and 75 cents. The 175s. Those are going to have a nice profit today. So they're going to be up a little bit. They're going to be probably worth $1.95 is what I'm thinking. Let's see. So at the money it was about $3. Yeah, so those are probably going to be around $3. No, they're going to be about $1.50. But the 170s are going to start at about $3, I bet. Maybe a little over $3, like $3.50 or so. We shall see though. EA was an inside day yesterday. So EA actually has a pivot machine gun to the downside. Well, it'll go to the upside if it breaks the highs, which we're not showing much strength right now. I'm just going to throw in an alert if it starts to run, because there is definitely a pivot machine gun here to the upside. FSLY. Inside day, obviously a stronger stock. Pivot machine gun to the downside, but I probably wouldn't take this unless it broke 43. Because then we got it all the way down to 42. It's actually not that big of a move. We're just near the high, so I don't really want to take this long because it's just up near that top Bollinger Band. Okay, mRNA, we're having a decent gap up here to magnitude, 341, 55, yeah, probably about that. It's right in the middle of the spread. We've got a nice gap to close all the way up here at 376. So over that 359 to 376. This could be an explosive move on mRNA. I wish I would have seen this, that it was overbought here with a 1. Right here, we got an inside 1 with a 2 up here. And then another 2 up, another 2 up, another 2 up to a 3. And then an inside. So I'm actually very bullish on this as well. Yeah, so those stocks I'm watching right now, the BABA 175s and 170 calls. I'm gonna check out the mRNA. I'm gonna go all the way up there to like 375. Yeah, these are really cheap if you go that far out. That's way out of the money. You'd be, I mean, it's gonna have to move. You're predicting a pretty big move if you're going that far out of the money here. Maybe we should look more into like the 360s. I'm gonna add that. 360s, and yeah, 360 I think is where it's gonna find some resistance here. We're opening at 341. These will probably be worth about $3, I think, at the open. We'll see, maybe a little bit less actually. Yeah, but the 360s have decent open interest, and they've got a lot of volume actually. They've got the most volume of any from yesterday. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna watch on mRNA. Okay, so the ones I'm watching here, we've got BABA. Oh no, yeah, BABA calls and mRNA so far. Those are my favorite two. Let's check out some more. DraftKings. Wow, DraftKings had a midday little pop. Okay, DraftKings is in a daily squeeze, stuck in this channel. It's been stuck in this channel for a very long time. Wow. What are we opening up at? 49.30. Okay, so we're opening up near the trigger. DraftKings is definitely one that you might want to take a look at. T-Doc. This could go, this has full time frame continuity up. I could make it back up there to 140. I'm not really going to look into that one. NVAX though, let's see, is that breaking out of its little channel? Nope. So over 174, it breaks out of its little daily channel. We are gapping up a bit, but really not too hard. I'd rather trade mRNA. Some of the biggest movers yesterday, net. Net is one that I'm definitely waiting for a short signal on. Coin. Oh, that needs to be in the gap ups. Coin is way the heck up there, holy. Snap was one of the biggest movers yesterday, and that's the one that I took long yesterday on their dips. Target. Not doing anything crazy actually. I'm gonna keep an eye on Facebook too. Facebook is being stronger. Okay, let's look up some squeezes here. So Penn is in a squeeze. Got Penn in this squeeze. This could be signaling a breakout. Anthem's in a daily squeeze. Costco. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? I put that in here, didn't I? No. Dang it. Why didn't I put that in here? That one's already too high for me. Starbucks is at a clear resistance area. Good morning, Napoleon. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. So right now I'm just putting in my watch lists here on Trader Creator Pro, the Discord server, this watch list ideas. I'm just throwing them in here. It's free to see them, so. But this is how I do my morning reports kind of for myself. I'm really frustrated about Costco because I did see this. I saw this on Sunday night. I saw this squeeze with this 2 up here, hammer candle. This was such a good entry here off the lows to take it long for this squeeze to fire long, because this probably will break even higher, but it's not worth the risk to me now. MA, let's see. MA is kind of stuck in this choppiness here. I'm not very interested in that. Yeah, it could break out, could be, but it seems pretty dang choppy right here. So I'm just gonna leave that. WBA, earnings, stuck in a mother bar, not gonna touch that. Disney, looks like straight chop as well. It's red because of a strat. It's an actionable kicking bear yesterday to the downside. So this squeeze could actually be a short squeeze, like the short, not shorts. I don't do live every morning. I want to be doing it more. We'll see what happens. We'll see how I was doing live streams every morning for like, it was about 10 months ago. But it kind of got in my head to be trading live. Just, I don't want anybody like following me, because everyone needs to have their own things. So I don't usually trade live, but I don't know. We'll see how I do live. Sometimes it also helps, because when you have to explain a trade, it makes so that you have to, sometimes it sounds ridiculous to take a trade when you're saying it. So you're like, wait, that doesn't sound right. Maybe I shouldn't take that. So in some ways it helps. Some ways it puts a little more stress on you as you're trading. So we'll see. I can for sure do these morning reports live every morning. Give some feedback and stuff. I actually also listen to, I like to listen to True Traders live stream as well. A lot of what they do follows what I do. So I listen to them at the same time. I don't follow their trades, but I'll maybe take a trade if I see one that I like. Anyway, some of these other ones. So right now I'm going through the TTM squeeze. And I'm only doing daily charts right now. You could be doing any chart. In fact, that's what these are up here. So this right here is indicating all these different time frames. Need that little bar to go away. All these time frames are in a squeeze that are red. So right now AMC has a daily squeeze, a weekly squeeze, a 5-minute, a 10-minute, and a 15-minute. So it's squeezing pretty good here. This daily squeeze is really looking good. It's a little bit high for me. Above that Bollinger Band, I don't buy. Unless maybe we get a little bit of a pullback or something. I'd have to have a pretty decent pullback for me to take this long. Yeah, I think I'll do more live streams. Because I want to grow my community a little bit. And I really want to, honestly, I want to sell a little bit more of my course that I've worked really hard on. But got to give people, a little sample of what my course teaches. I teach a lot of different strategies that I've learned from a lot of different people, years of studying, all put into a precise course. So AMC, I wish I saw this a couple days ago. I don't know. I must not have done my morning reports very well on it. AMC. I'm still looking like an upside trade, but it's a little bit far for me. Intel Core has earnings coming up 10/21, so I probably wouldn't want to swing this. But for a day trade, you can maybe try and predict a breakout here. Above the highs, which we should be opening above the highs. This looks pretty choppy. It's not a very good pattern. I don't like it. I'm not going to put it in the list. Visa, same chop that MasterCard had. ATVI. This is just looking a little bit red to me. Okay. So one of the people in the chat room let me share this to my chat room now. Okay, let's see. Let me get up a couple more things. Getting ready to trade here. So the other scanner that I really like to keep an eye on it's a True Trader scanner. It's a spike scanner, so it tells me a lot of the stocks that are spiking significantly right at the morning. Okay. Oh my, I hate that. Dang it. When you like hold a window and then it closes all of your windows, it's the worst. Why would I ever want it to do that? So then I have to open everything back up. Okay. Okay. So we got 4 minutes till the open. Let's take a look at the markets too. I know I've already taken a look at them actually earlier, but. So we're obviously gapping up, 448, 449. So we're above the Bollinger Bands here on the daily. That makes me a little bit worried unless we close above them. We close above them, that's a lot of people's stops actually, shorts. If we close above the Bollinger Bands, so then I think we're probably in the green here for markets. I mean, we've made a nice bounce over the last 4 days. I'll be watching all-time highs if that comes. It's crazy how fast we're popping. We're popping faster than we're dropping, which is weird because usually we drop faster than we pop. But okay, another one that so coin is moving up pre-market here. Big pop there to 305. We're coming back down here to 300. Something that I don't like with pre-market movers like this is if they fall below like this 50% area, which, wow, it almost to the penny. Actually, it was to the penny. I think, let's see. Low is 299.20. And that was what the 50% line is I just drew. To the penny, it's holding the 50% line. So below that 50% line is where I like to short. At least that's how I've done it with a lot of the smaller stocks, which I haven't looked at those yet. Let's look at some of the top movers that are the smaller stuff. Oh, there isn't much. Watt. See, so Watt holding right around this 50% area. It's not really an ideal area. Could maybe take it long above 262, but I've kind of stayed away from the smaller stuff lately. And they're not moving much right now, so let's not waste our time there. Could pop, who knows? Anything could happen. Okay, 1 minute to the open. Actually, 4 seconds. Okay, be safe out there. Here we go. Okay, SPY. AMC here is coming in a little bit. Not much. Net dropping, net put. Net has a long ways down. I really want it to pop back up a little bit here because I feel like I've already missed the big part of the move. But I really want these net puts. Net has a long ways down. Pops back up to like 179. Oh man. Net is like, these options kind of suck. Okay, 175s. Those seem to have the smallest spread here. Coin popping. Baba running, mRNA running, the ones that I had on watch. If net pops back up here, I'm wanting to get in short. So I'm looking at the 375s that expired this week, or the 175s. Come on, pop back up, net. No, no, don't go without me, net. Dang it. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep net on watch on the side. It's showing some significant weakness here versus the markets. And that's definitely profit taking. We're the first red day here so far in a very long time. That's why I want to get short. There's a lot of people that have made a lot of money off this, or that are getting screwed on this that bought yesterday. Tesla coming in pretty good there, 873 from 878. I'll wait for that to come in further. I'll take Snap long around 71.30. I'm just gonna set an alert. Gotta remember you've got all day, so you miss something, it's okay. You got all day. Just takes one good trade. AFRM. This is a nice downside move here on AFRM. We've got so far to go on that though as well. Dang it, there goes net. Okay, mRNA though. Yeah, my net, the net calls I was looking at are up almost 100%. Watching net now for a long. If it drops much harder, we shall see though. I really wanted, man. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback on mRNA and BABA. Let's see. Ooh, net pop back up a little bit. I'm still looking to short this. Okay, coin coming back in a little bit. Here it comes. Let's let these people that bought in the morning either take profit or start to lose money and get a little bit worried. mRNA is still being very strong. So mRNA is my #1 pick right now for long. We do have the 20 EMA here on the daily chart that's probably showing a little bit of resistance. trying to remember my setups exactly when I'm looking at these smaller time frames. So Baba was an inside day up. And mRNA is as well. Tesla is coming in still. Tesla has a long ways down as well. So I'm not going to just dip buy it here. So net just popped back up again. Coin's looking strong. See if it breaks the highs here. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. There goes the pop-off test for Tesla, off of yesterday's close, or yesterday's close. Okay, I'm still watching net. I'm also watching mRNA. My mRNA calls just came in a lot, so mRNA. I really want to get short net. I'm looking to long mRNA. As long as it holds, as long as the daily candle stays green. Facebook's actually coming in pretty decent here, 341 to 337. Square. Baba's at a point where it's either going to break down or keep going. And you've got a pretty clear breakdown area. Once it breaks 170. I'm going to pick up one of the 175. No. I'm going to start mRNA actually here. This is a level I like right here. Okay, I'm filled. So I'm long at mRNA, some calls. They're pretty far out of the money, so time decay is going to be a problem, but I really want it to hold here. Okay, so that's mRNA is already from 240 to 280. My calls. I kind of want to just take one off. Take some off, take half off. At the same time, I don't at all. Let's see though. I'm going to take one off. 1/2. Trying to get filled at 286. So that would be 243. That was 243 to 286. And I'm holding one more. Half. My last half I'm going to hold for actually a while. I might just leave a stop at break even. And try and hold this for a big breakout all the way up there to 250. We'll see. We'll see how strong it stays. So right now SPY is at day highs. So I don't like that mRNA is not near day highs, but we're up pretty decent on it. Coin, nice little pullback there. Net, I'm still wanting to get short, but I'm trying to get the best price possible. Come on, mRNA, let's break up. Break up there. Go up there to 344 at least. Come on, you can do it. Let's check out NVAX. It'll give us a nice little idea of what's happening with mRNA as well. NVAX is looking decently strong. Square day highs. Wow. Z just popped. Net still struggling. Tesla not doing anything. Bitcoin just had a nice drop from 6,500 down to 6,300. Net just keeps dropping too fast for me. Oh, net. Well, I guess I'm out of mRNA now. I hit sell ask, but the ask dropped right when I hit it. So I got out at $3, but still a decent trade, I guess. Net dropping, a little punk. Wow, ASAN, that's up there. Square's looking strong. 124.85. $124.85 here on ASAN. 127 is probably where I would short this, maybe. Kind of want to see a breakout. Get all the longs in that are taking the all-time high breakout. mRNA didn't hold, so I'm glad I'm out of that. Baba is still running though, or still pushing. I kind of want to get long Baba, but it's a little bit high for me right now. I'll wait for it to come back down to at least a mean type area. I don't like to buy at the highs or sell at the lows. I'm done with mRNA. It's not gonna, from what I see right now, it's not gonna make it all the way back up, so glad I took my profit on mRNA and didn't hold for my big move. There haven't been very many big movers today. My scanner over here on the left, usually, so I'm scanning for just big ATR moves. So far, nothing's even made 100% yet. I'm waiting for Mara to come down to 48s. Let's see if it makes it down there or if it pops before then. It's looking like it's going to pop before then. Baba, here we go, Baba. Baba pushing. Not going to chase it. Not going to chase it. Looks like Mara popped already, so that's too bad. Dang, Mara. So Mara did work out. So the reason this is a setup is because of this pretty nice drop down $2. This typically only moves $3 in a day, so an 80% move in 10 minutes. And then this pivot point. And then being a mental area of $50. It's a great entry area to ride it back up. Or just for a scalp. Net down into the lows. So I'm not taking this long, bouncing this, because of this daily chart. I mean, look at this. It's insane. It's got so far down to go. You could argue that it's stronger than the rest of the market because of that. But I would argue, well, it's weaker than the market today. And when you're day trading, that's really one of the most important things. But it's got so far down to go. We're way, way, way the heck up here, so. Tesla's in a 1 minute squeeze. Thing is choppy though. I don't know. It could go either way. We're in a 5 minute squeeze up. So we could break back up to day highs. And if you want to, I mean, right now is a good risk reward area to take it. You'd only be risking down here. I mean, that's still a big move. Let's check this out. Tesla for a little pop here. We got a 1 minute squeeze. If we see this momentum shift on the 1 minute, that could give us a good indication on what's going to happen on the 5 minute. Net, I mean, if it goes really far down, maybe I'll buy it, but I'm waiting for it to go way far down there. Okay, Tesla. The 1 minute just shifted. 1 minute just shifted. You could buy it. No. It's got an upward signal here. I like it to be still around these moving averages, so around 870. If I miss it, I miss it, but man, these calls are expensive. Honestly, I don't know if it's worth it to buy these calls. They're so expensive. I mean, unless you're going to try and ride this all the way to 900. You still have $10 of premium. That's crazy. Crazy premium. So with Tesla, I think I'd rather just buy the stock if you're going to trade Tesla, honestly. Up to you, though. There's the 1 minute squeeze popping. You see this? 1 minute squeeze popping up. We're going into resistance right now. So we'll see if the 1 minute squeeze can follow through. If it can, most likely this 5 minute squeeze is going to follow through. The only problem is this bar. If this bar wasn't here, this would be an A+ setup, but this bar is going to push it down. This bar is the mother bar that's not going to let it run. Net still being dumb and just going down without me. Okay, let's see. Is there anything good going on here? Lyft is coming in pretty decent right now. Let's see you, Lyft. I'm looking for a speed up in it. There's Tesla falling back down. Like I said, that big bar is a big. So now would be my entry here on Tesla if I wanted to take it long. In fact, I'll just buy a little bit of the stock right now. Here at 869. Ah, dang it. I didn't get to place my order fast enough there. I'll wait for it. For some reason I only typed in TS. So that'll do it. I'm still watching Tesla. I might wait for it to go down below the Bollinger Band here on the 1 minute. There's the pop on Lyft. Little 30-cent pop. Okay, we're back into the 869s, 870. This is looking pretty weak here on Tesla. Come on down, come on down, come on down. Okay, I'm in at 868.99. I'm gonna keep this pretty tight. Break a low of days my stop. I'm in at 868.99. Let's see if it can hold. I'll just go for like, we'll see, 870. I'm just gonna go for 2 points. Feeling pretty resistant-y right here. I'm out. 869.65. Could pop back up, but got a point pretty quick. A little bearish on it too, so yeah, this is looking like it's gonna break. Let's see if it does all the way. Thing is, if Tesla breaks, it's gonna break down hard. If it pops, I don't think it's gonna pop very hard. But if it breaks down, I mean, we've got a move all the way down to 850 possibly. So it could hit down to this 862, 863 area real fast. Got this 5-minute squeeze with that's showing momentum down. So this is just straight chop right now. But Tesla short is looking pretty good to me. I'll wait for a pop though to take it short. Like a Baba. mRNA came all the way back in. Markets, if you look at SPY, I mean, it's going sideways right now. Markets haven't made their move yet today, in my opinion. I only have 2 on my list that have made over 100% move today so far. There's typically around like 8 to 10 by now. So that tells you things are a little bit slow right now. Things are coming in pretty good here. Oh, there's the Tesla breakdown. Like I said, it could happen quick. So that's why I didn't want to stay in. See ya, Tesla. If this goes to 862 right now, I'll take it long. With the stop below 859, maybe? No, it's too far. Coin is coming in a lot too. Coin. I'm gonna keep an eye on coin here for a pop back up. Out of anything, I guess coin had some news with Facebook today, so. Coin down here to 296, where it just bounced off of. Come on, drop further. Mara is coming in pretty good. So I'm watching coin and Mara. Coin, I'll probably take some options. Mara, I'd probably trade the stock. These still have quite a big... Maybe I'll do the stock on both of them. Nice job, Tesla. Keep dropping. Coin, I think I'm going to wait for 293. I feel like that's a really greedy entry, but... I'm waiting for Tesla a little bit lower to take that long. Maybe another 3-point breakdown right here. Mara 49.29. Let's see, 865.40. Okay, Mara. Watching Mara here, 49. I'm watching Mara and Tesla. Tesla, I'm looking for 862. 30s. I'm really just looking for a big flush. I'm watching the tape and level 2, looking for a big flush here. So I started Mara long, and I'll add all the way down to 48s. Tesla 863, come on, a little bit further, Tesla. $862 here. Okay, so I'm in Tesla. I added to Mara. I'm watching coin. 296.34. Okay, I want Tesla to pop back up here, maybe for a couple points. My average on Mara is 48.85. It's trying. It's trying. Come on, break over 49. There we go. Facebook could be a short on low of day break. Okay, I'm going to take some off here on Mara at 49.15. Took some off there, 49.15. Tesla I'm holding because I'm in a very small position here. Let's take a look at Mara again. Let's see, where should let's see how far this will go. Dang, coin. Let's focus on these other trades. I'm gonna go for 49.50 area on the rest of Mara. Actually, I'm gonna take some more off here on this little pop. 49.40 is where I'm going for. $49.42, I guess. There we go. Okay, so I just have a quarter of my position left now on Mara. So I'm gonna let Mara run. Tesla. I'm up 2 points here, so I'm gonna sell one. Oh, dang it! I'm selling one at 2 points, so 865.60 area. Nice pop on Mara. Tesla's feeling a little weak. It's doing decent though. I'm holding. Again, I have such a small position. 49.74. Hey, I'll take that on Mara. And I am... oh my, missed it by a cent. Out. So I'm out of Mara. I'm still in Tesla right now. Coin, I missed my entry. Let's see what else is coming in here into a good area. I'm still holding Tesla. And back up here to 865. Let's pop a little bit higher here. Come on. Break the previous 1 minute bar at least. You can do it. Mara's still going up. So the reason though that I chose Mara over coin is because Mara is a quarter of the price. Wait, even less than that. Way cheaper than coin, so I could get more shares. Okay, I'm not seeing Tesla break out of this area. I'm going to take half off anywhere in the 865s if we get that again. We break 862.33 is my stop. So I have a my average is 69, so I mean that's a pretty close stop. But if that's all the pop that Tesla's gonna get, it's gonna make another flush down. It's probably gonna flush pretty far. Oh, I was going for 3 points, not 2. What the? Do your math right. Okay, well here is 2 points if I get 864.60. Okay, I'm getting 2 points, taking half off at 2 points. Why did I think that would, whatever. So 864.64 is what I have it in at right now. Not looking like it's gonna do it. I think we should get just a little pop. There's a big seller at 864. $5,000 shares at 864 and it got filled. Okay, take half off there for 2 points, and I'll hold the rest for a break up to, well, I'll go for 4 points. Just scalping away. $4 points or 1 point. That's what I'm going to do here for Tesla. I think it can do 4 points, so. But if we break this, hey, I'm just going to call it. Even though it might bounce off of down here, I can always get back in. Mara coming back in. What's SPY doing? SPY is at day highs. Wow. None of the stocks that I have up right now are at day highs, except for Baba. Okay, come on. 865.50 is what we need Tesla over. Open of account. Kindly help me. You need help opening an account? Is that what you're trying to say there? Satish. Guess it depends where you're at. There we go. There's a breakup on Tesla to the upside. Now we need it to hold this 865.50 area. If it doesn't, that's okay, actually. I just want it to break up, but this has a move up to 867.50 possibly once we get out of this mess here. Dang. Okay. Tesla still holding, but I'm not loving it now. Under 863.45, that's what I'm going to wait for. So I want it to hold this 864. So I'm watching level 2 on another screen right now. So that's why I can change up some stuff. Ooh, the Tesla calls I was looking at are up, well, I guess $100. Mara showing a little bit of strength. Oh. Tesla, I'm out. Out for +1. This could definitely hold, but it's not low enough for me on the 5-minute. And we've got the 60-minute way overbought, which is the larger time frame. So if these are green up here, it's overbought to me. So I've got the 60-minute overbought. So that's why I don't want to stay in this one too long, because I'm playing a smaller time frame. That 60-minute drives harder than the 5-minute. Coin still coming in. Coin is clearly weaker than Mara was. This actually could be a play here, maybe with a Fibonacci retracement with a tight stop. 67.36 now, so it went below that 61%, 62%. Coin is dying right here. I'm watching coin down here into 293s. Looks like Tesla held. That's okay. It's a big part of trading is just, no, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with being wrong. I'm okay with like, I could have got a better exit there. 2 points higher. It's okay. So and there is my exit now. So I got shaken out. I probably did have my stop a little bit too close. I probably should have done break even. But I just know the flush that it has in it that it could do. I know that it could flush pretty dang hard. It would happen so fast that I'd quickly go negative. So I'm fine with being wrong on that. I still made money on it, so it is what it is. AMC's volatility right now is not comparative to a regular day of AMC. AMC's only moved 62%, so it's, I mean, the morning, yeah, that was a pretty good little move of 2 points on a $40 stock. But right now, we're stuck inside. So unless you're predicting this to break down or something, it is possible that it'll turn to that because it's dropping actually pretty fast here. It'll turn to a good trade, but I look for a big move, and then I do reversals a lot. Or continuation with a nice squeeze. Like this is a nice squeeze right here. A nice move up, sideways, 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 squeeze, break. And now this is a failed, well, it broke up, and now it's retracing. Right now, it looks like we have a 15-minute squeeze as well. Momentum is shifted down right now. It is at a pretty good... look at that. It's in a good area right now to long on a 15-minute chart. Just right in an average area, I should say. But then you're oversold here on a 1 minute a little bit. We're just under that Bollinger Band. So that gives you a good entry if you're playing a 15-minute chart as your big chart, and then a smaller chart like this for your entry. Yeah, you could, I mean, you could day trade AMC all day if you want. It's all just up to you. I mean, right now, one of the most volatile ones is net. I'm on Thinkorswim right now. I've got some of the indicators that I've created, actually. And I've had other indicators that I've taken from all over the place. But you can get all my indicators with the course, or with even if I'm pretty sure I have all of them. I have most of them on just my free. If you sign up for one of the bundle courses, one of the setup courses, like how to use Thinkorswim, just go to Trader Creator Pro, use the code. You know what, I'll type this in. If you want some of these indicators, tradercreatorpro.com. Sign up for the 6 setup bundle. Use the code TCP free to get it for free. And then I'm pretty sure I have these indicators in it. I'll have to double check that after. I'm pretty close to done. I mean, I've already made my money for the day. So that's kind of my goal, is hit some good trades and call it a day early, so then I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. I live in Utah, so right now the time is 8:17 a.m. So I've literally got all day now to do whatever I want. Let's see if we have anything else moving. Things are slowing down right now. I'm sure we'll find something though. I'll just stay on for like 10 more minutes. So if anybody has any questions or wants me to look over anything, let me know. Oh, Tesla. Oh, Tesla popping back up. So one of my favorite tools here is using the symmetry Fibonacci extensions. And measure this. And this would be my target. Using it just to show, it's just copying this move here and then putting it here. So this is a however many dollars that is, a $4 move. So it's possible for a $4 move back up. And actually, if it holds this 867, so if it goes above 867, typically this means a reversal in trend. Of course, this is a 1-minute chart. So reversal of trend on a 1-minute chart. It could hold maybe like this, 865, and make another move up. But did you hear about BITO? Honestly, I don't follow news very much. I read price action, and that's what I found works best for me. I know that somebody in my channel bought coin right at the open because of the Facebook and coin news. I don't know what it was, but there was some kind of news here pushing that up, and so he bought it right at the open, which that's great. Yeah, the ETF. I didn't know that it was going to start today. I knew a few days ago that it said that it was going to come up, that the SEC approved it. Yeah, this is actually, thanks for pointing that out, though, that it did come out. I actually didn't know that it came out today. This is going to be better to watch than /Bitcoin, the futures. I'd rather watch this. Although, what's included in it? Is there... Let's see, what's included in this? This is my favorite way to look at ETFs. I just run over here to Market Watch. Come down here to holdings. It doesn't know yet. So that's kind of a big thing, is what's included in this ETF. Maybe I can Google it. Maybe it... Pro shares, let's see. Why is this website taking so long? Net, the little piece of crap. That website took forever to open. It only has Bitcoin futures in it? Probably gotta wait for more details on it. Because BITO, I mean, it's only as good as the stocks that are included in it. Yeah, there is a lot of talk about it. Oh, Tesla. Nice pop back up. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know why that website was so slow. My internet speed's pretty quick, I think. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not. What the crap? Oh, it's speeding up a little bit. Okay, it's doing better. Usually it's like 200. Honestly, your internet speed doesn't have to be like stupid fast for trading. Just needs to be connected. This is actually a decent short area on Tesla if you're for a scalp. Here at 870. I'll do small. Why not? Dang it. Not filled, not filled, not filled. I'm looking for that 870 area. This would be for a quick scalp to short it down. And that's all. Okay, I'm in here at 870.15. Short. This could not work for sure. I'll give it a point to work out. Over 871, I'll stop. Looks like we're gonna stop. Yep. Okay. Stopped out for like 80 cents. BBIG. Yeah, the ping is important. Yeah, you're right. I've heard that. I need to... I don't know. Would the ping speed up Thinkorswim? That's my question. Yeah, BBIG looks like a tough one to hold right now. It's at a tough area. Are you long BBIG? BBIG is, I mean, yeah, it's down, but it's not that far. Hey, Mara back down to lows. Let's see if it breaks. See if it breaks the lows. And there goes Tesla now. Exactly what I thought was gonna happen, but I'm already stopped out. With these expensive stocks, it's really hard for me to not stop out too soon. And that's how you get to when you're not confident in a trade. You stop out too soon because you're like, oh, I just can't trust this, you know? Oh, you're in at 650? Nice. You're good then. You've made a nice return off that. That was a good entry. I only have one swing on right now because I'm actually moving. I day trade in this account and then I swing in my IRA. And the only swing I have on right now is Facebook, actually. But it's a put credit spread. I got it on this day down here. I put credit spread that it needed to stay above 330, so it's doing pretty well right now. It's the only only swing I'm in though right now. You like to buy high and sell higher? That works way better for swinging. For me, day trading, buy high, sell higher doesn't work very well, but that's just for me. It's just so hard for me to buy things that are expensive. Like even in life, like I don't like to go buy I don't go and buy a new car because I don't know, it just doesn't feel like a deal to me. So, I mean, that's just my personality though. I mean, everybody's personalities are different with how they trade, how they live and how they trade. How you live really reflects like how you trade. And for me, I like deals. So when things are dipping, I like deals, or when things are popping, I like to short it. It's just the way I think. It's kind of annoying sometimes because I miss some of the big moves. Although today I did take a continuation trade, but it didn't work out. CI. CI is up there. BITO is coming in pretty good. The hard thing with using BITO as an ETF right now is that it has no history. So actually probably right now Bitcoin is better to watch as like a market internal for the Bitcoin stocks. Man, everybody loves Cam Ross, huh? Warrior Trader. He is good. I like him. I think he's cool. He's a very honest trader. He tells how it is. He tells when he's losing. He tells when he's doing good. His style of trading just isn't my style. He likes to read the tape in level 2 and then watching for those breakouts, get in, add as it goes up. Which that's a great strategy. I mean, that works for him. Yeah. I think the best ways to grow a small account, I don't know how much your account is, but to grow a small account is doing futures, options, small caps, or swinging options. Swinging the large caps, your account's not going to grow. But if you want to play large caps, do the options. Swing the options. Nice thing about options is your money will settle the next day. So you can day trade, and then your money will settle the next day, and you'll have a full account again. And you can do it in a cash account. So you can day trade all you want with the cash that you have. And then options contracts, just get some of the cheaper ones. You won't be trading like Tesla. But like Baba today. I mean, look at this. Here on Baba. This was the stock this is the options contract I was watching. Had I hit it right at the open, 263. So this would have cost $263. It went up to 450. That's 80% return right there. And today's a Tuesday. On Fridays, they go way bigger because they're cheaper. $13K is still pretty decent. I mean, you could day trade options with $13K all day. That's just a thought. It's not something you have to do. Definitely stick with whatever makes you feel comfortable. Why can't I grab this window anymore though? That's so annoying. Okay, there we go. All right, well, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. My trades, I'm just gonna run over them real quick, mostly for me. Let's see. First trade, mRNA. So I was looking for a big move on mRNA. I actually didn't get a very good move on this. So up, down, I got in right here, took it off here as it started to break back down. And this was actually, to give you an example of options, I got in at 246 right here. Let's see, let me look at my actual entry. 243. 243 right here to 286 right here. And look how small of a move I hit. Such a small move. And that's just how volatile options can be. And then, so mRNA, I was taking that long because of this per the strat. So inside day upwards, had a target here of 359, but we got rejected by the 20 EMA here on the daily. So that is invalid now. So mRNA, Tesla. Oh yeah, Tesla was a decent trade. I got in here. Got in right here. Oh, no. I started here. Took that long. Fell down right here. That was just basically a 1 minute trade. A 1 minute bounce. Then it squoze, broke down. And I entered here at 262.76. Rode that up to, or 862.76. And bought more at 862.63. Sold it at 864.64. That was a quick scalp. And then I did, the best trade of the day for me was Mara. So Mara was a good trade. I saw this. So this broke down fast, but it wasn't going into any levels. So if you look at my 5-minute chart over here, let me get up all my levels. You can only see my levels on a 30-day. So it went into this pivot point right here. And that was a decent move, but it wasn't big enough for me. Pops back up. And from there, when it broke those lows, that's when I was watching it again. And then I saw it speed up and go way below the Bollinger Bands on the 1 minute. and stay down there. I entered down there at 49.74. Wow, I nearly hit the bottom of that. I did hit the bottom of that. I was in at 49.74 right there. And I rode that back up to 49. I scaled out of that from 49.15. Oh, wait. Okay, I was in at 48.78. Sorry, 48.78 was my entry. So right at the bottom of that candle. It immediately popped, so I started to take profit. 49.15, 49.42, and 49.74. Probably could have waited for the 1 minute 20 on this. Up there to 49.90. That was a good exit. The 1 minute 20 is a great exit for these scalp trades. And that's one way that I like to see if it's a good trade, is how far it gets from that 1 minute 20. So you can see right here it's somewhat close, far, right? It drops really far past that 1 minute 20. The trade that I wanted to take all morning was net. I want to take this short right at the open, but I didn't do it. And then it dropped. I actually tried to buy puts right at the close on this spike. I tried to get into some puts, but the spread was crazy right at the close and it was just moving all over the place. Anyways, that's it for me today. There's my trades. I'm going to call it a day. And I'll talk to you guys later. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want me to keep doing the live videos. Join the Discord and head over to tradercreatorpro.com. You can message me there. Let me know any questions, anything. Have a good one. Bye.